Hello, it's Jay again and welcome to another tutorial. So in the last lesson we got a lot of code in place in the mganim script, and in this lesson we're actually going to add some code to the machine gun script. And we've done this many times, so let's quickly run through. Firstly, we need to create two variables. These can be of type private, and the first one is going to be game object underscore machine gun object. Let's close that line off. Into the comments we're going to say defines the machine gun game object. Next one is going to be of type private, and we'll use the name of the other script, mganim, and we'll give that naming convention of underscore mganimation script. Let's close that line off. And we'll put this into the comments, so we'll say defines the machine gun animation script. Okay, with those two in place, we can come to the void start. Again, you can put these anywhere. I'm going to put mine here. We're going to say underscore machine gun, and we want the object equals, and we're going to say game object dot find game object with tag, open and close brackets, close the line off, inside the brackets speech marks, and inside those we're going to say machine gun. Let's break this up for commenting. So we'll just use the naming convention, we'll paste that in, and we're going to say equals. For the next line we're going to say, let's just say the game object with tag of, and again we'll just say machine gun. Now that's in place, we'll say underscore mganimation script. We're going to say that's equal to the machine gun object get component, open and close brackets, we're going to say mganimation. We'll come to the end of the line, we'll open and close brackets, we'll close that line off again. We'll break it up for commenting. Again, we'll just copy and paste that naming convention in. We'll say equals the mganim script from the machine gun game object. Okay, with those in place, let's come to the void update. To this block, if input equals fire1, we can miss this one out. Where the current clip equals 0, we can come here and we'll put this next to the machine gun shoot function. Call machine gun shoot animation, open and close brackets, close that line off. Don't worry about the red error, it's just because we haven't created this function as of yet, but we will do in a moment. So let's just paste that into the comments. And we might as well get the reload in. So we'll say again, let's just copy and paste that in. Call machine gun reload animation, open and close brackets into the comments, and we're going to say we're going to call that function. And now we'll fix the red errors by actually calling those functions. So machine gun shoot, oh, we have created the machine gun shoot animation, but these were when we were going to use normal animations, but I decided to do it a different way just to show you different variations or different ways of doing this. So let's swap out those naming conventions. So I'll copy the first one and we'll paste that into the top, and if we look, now we've created that function, that red error will disappear. This one will, you hopefully can see it there. Now we've created it, as you can see here in the bar, there's no red errors showing. So call machine gun shoot animation underscore mg animation script dot play machine gun shoot animation, open and close brackets, close that line off into the comments. What we'll do is we'll say we'll call that function from the mg anim script. Let's just copy and paste that in for the reload. And we'll just swap out this naming convention. Now it's not showing up. Let's just come to the mg anim. So let's create that function in this script. Play machine gun reload animation. Let's copy that. And now we can paste it in. We'll paste it in here. Let's save that off there. In the next lesson, let's fill out this function and then we'll test it all out. But I think we'll leave it here for now. As always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.